Before we dive into financial statement analysis, I would like to show you how to find and download the financials of a listed company. All public firms post their financials on their website. In addition, there are multiple data providers who keep financial statements and make them available for download. There is also a third option, which is to find financials on SEC's website. However, the easiest thing to do is to download financials from a company's own website. All you have to do is type the company's name, Tesla in this case, along with financial statement and the year you are interested in finding financials for. Let's say 2017. So we have Tesla, financial statement 2017. That's excellent. I'll open the first link that appears here, Financials and Accounting. Please notice that it points to Tesla.com, which is the official company website. Awesome. Here we have Tesla's quarterly and annual financials. As per regulation, every quarter the company releases a 10-Q form. This is a quarterly statement intended to keep shareholders as informed as possible. It is a shorter version of the annual statements, but still containing a P&L, balance sheet, and cash flow. The fourth quarterly statement is not a 10-Q form. It is a 10-K form. Please remember this acronym. A 10-K form is how industry practitioners refer to annual reports, which are the most complete financial statement a company shares with the public. Of course, annual reports are released once per year. To get the report, all you have to do is select Download PDF, and it will be saved on your computer. In addition, you can download financial figures in Excel. This is how you get a listed company's quarterly and annual financials. In our next lesson, we'll start with Tesla's financial statement analysis. Stay tuned.